Okay, first question. When x is close to infinite, we know that fx must be close to 1. Since b is more than 0 and a is also more than 0, so when x is infinite, e to the power of minus bx is close to 0. So we can get when x is close to infinite, fx is close to a. So we can get that a equals to 1. The two questions. First, we can draw the figure of 1 minus e to the power of minus bx, and then we can get the figure of fx. Here there is one point to take care is that the figure of fx must start at x equals to a. The third question, because fx starts at x equals to a, so there is an impulse function at x equals to a, and its value is 1 minus e to the power of minus ab. Then when x is more than a, we can get the function of fx. It is a step function, and the equality is b times e to the power of minus bx. So at last, the figure of fx is an impulse function and a step function, and the figure is shown here. And fx also starts at x equals to a. Okay, the second question. First, we want to compute px2 equals to 1. It means that px2 equals to 1 equals to px2 equals to 1 and x1 equals to 1 plus x2 equals to 1 and x1 equals to 0. We can use the condition given by the question that x2 equals to 1 given x1 equals to 1 times px1 equals to 1 plus px2 equals to 1 given x1 equals to 0 times px1 equals to 0, and get that px2 equals to 1 is equal to 0.64. Okay, since px2 equals to 1 is equal to 0.64, we can know that px2 equals to 0 is equal to 0.36. Similarly, px3 equals to 1 is equal to px3 equal to 1 and x2 equal to 1 plus px3 equal to 1 and x2 equal to 0. It is equal to px3 equal to 1 given x2 equals to 1 times px2 equals to 1 plus px3 equals to 1 given x2 equals to 0 times px2 equals to 0, and it is that we can compute the probability is 0.592. Okay, the third question. We want to figure out px1 equals to 0 given given x3 equals to 1. It is equal to px1 equals to 0 and x3 equals to 1 over px3 equals to 1. We know that there are two conditions if we know that x1 is equal to 0 and x3 is equal to 1. That means x2 can be 1 or x2 can be 0. So we know that we can divide the px1 equals to 0 and x3 equals to 1 into two conditions and compute their probability. So we can get at last the probability that x1 equals to 0 given x3 equals to 1 is 0.135.